Why does your scanner show the P1401 engine code? What does it mean? P1401 is a diagnostic trouble code for Differential Pressure Feedback Sensor Error. It indicates a problem with the exhaust gas recirculation system, specifically a high-voltage signal from the Differential Delta Pressure Feedback EGR sensor circuit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Defective EGR valve. Blocked EGR passages. Damaged vacuum lines. Wiring and connector problems. Exhaust system issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Mazda, Citroën, Mercury, and Lincoln. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.